Have you ever wondered what it's like to get a CoolSculpting treatment? Hi, I'm Carrie, and I'm at Warrenton Dermatology today, and we're going to show you what is involved in getting a CoolSculpting treatment to freeze away fat non-surgically with no downtime. Easiest thing you'll do all day. So welcome. With me today is our CoolSculpting specialist, Sydney, and she's performing a treatment on our beautiful model, Nicole. And behind the camera, we have Lauren, who's going to let us know if any of you have questions or comments. I encourage you to shout out to us, because anybody who leaves a comment or a question will be entered into a door prize drawing to win a free cycle of CoolSculpting. Okay, so get your comments in. We have a secondary runner-up prize of a topical product called Body Firm by Revision Skincare. That is a great adjunct to this therapy. So again, get your questions and comments in to win a free cycle of CoolSculpting or a Body Firm. We'll be announcing the door prize winner later today. Okay, so thanks for joining us. Let's get started. So what is CoolSculpting? CoolSculpting is the #1 FDA cleared non-surgical fat reduction service that's available in the United States. Okay, so what we do is we, in a very controlled and safe way, freeze pockets of fat to destroy the fat cells. They're reabsorbed by your body in a natural way, and they never come back. Okay, the fat is gone permanently, and we use it to sculpt the body. That's why it's called CoolSculpting. It's not a replacement for weight loss. It's something where you want to be fairly close to your ideal body weight. And what we're going to do, I'd say within 20 pounds or so. So if you're on a weight loss journey, try to get yourself to where you're at about 20 pounds within your ideal body weight or BMI. And at that point, we can start to assess where you have a stubborn pocket that is just not responding to diet or to exercise. And it's those kind of pockets of fat that if you can pinch it, we can freeze it. Anywhere from the chin to the shin. Okay, so on our model Nicole today, her trouble spot is this axillary puff. Okay, you've probably never heard that term before, but axillary meaning the underarm area. It's the little puff that pushes out outside of her bra or her bathing suit or her exercise clothing, and she just wants to make that go away. The rest of her weight and all of that is just perfect for her size. So Sydney has determined, if you'll show the little hand piece, we've got a variety of sizes of hand pieces. She's determined just the right one. This one's called a petite, and as you can see, it's just the right size. This is going to show us exactly where the hand piece itself is going to attach. It uses a suction to kind of vacuum seal that little pinch of fat into a cup. As you can see, the attachment right here, there's a little bit of protective gel that protects the skin, and it sucks that little pocket of fat in and begins to cool. Now, how that feels is initially it's cold, kind of like an ice pack on your skin. You can liken it to if you've ever gotten hurt and you had to use an ice pack. It's a little uncomfortable having that cold on your skin at first, but then what happens? The skin kind of goes numb and it's perfectly comfortable. Nicole, is that how you would describe it?
Yeah, that's exactly how I would describe it. It's really not uncomfortable at all. Like Miss Carrie said, it just gets cold and then it just kind of goes numb to where, you know, you could take a nap if you wanted to.
And that's our goal, is to have you perfectly comfortable during your treatment. Nicole is going to have this handpiece attached to her for about 45 minutes. Then when that's done, well, let's talk about how we attach it. Sydney's here to show what she did is she has a preparatory wipe. This wipe she's going to take and apply to the area that's going to be treated. That's going to not only clean the skin, degrease it, but also apply a very protective little chemical layer to the skin that's going to protect the surface skin while we're deeply cooling the fat pad beneath it. Then there's a little bit of a protective gel that gets squirted onto the area and spread around. And then she attaches the handpiece. These little straps are just to help hold the handpiece into place, and Nicole's encouraged to just be as still as possible so that we don't encourage the handpiece to pop off during treatment. But as you can see, we make her as comfortable as possible. We've got a beautiful TV with Netflix to keep you entertained. You can scroll through your phone, call your girlfriend. It should be some nice me time. And really, it's one of the easiest things you'll do all day. So that's the process of the treatment itself. Once her 45 minutes is done, Sydney will take off the handpiece, and underneath you will have, in the shape of where it was in the cooling cup, it will be a little bit firm and red and kind of numb and cold feeling. And the next step is to massage vigorously. And what we're doing there is we're taking those crystallized fat cells and we're breaking them up. We're massaging it to bring that tissue back to life and to break up those fat cells so that they can just be reabsorbed more easily by your system. Now, it's kind of a patience game. I personally have had CoolSculpting done to my upper arm area. And when I did, I will let you know that it was a little bit red, a little bit tender, felt like I had over-exercised and had a little muscle soreness, but it was perfectly comfortable, didn't take me out of circulation at all. I was right back to my normal work and household duties that very same day. But we have some pictures to show you.
These are your before and afters.
These are my before and after. So this is my beautiful bat wing that I started with. Ugh, I hated it. Wanted to get rid of it. So after a single treatment, you can see the swoop here was decreased. We say to expect about a 25% reduction in the amount of fat that got pulled into that applicator. So I was very happy after one treatment. It took me about 3 months to see this. So it's a patience game. You just wait it out. And I was very happy. But I knew if a little was good, more would be better, right? So I went ahead and invested in the second treatment, and you can see the difference. It was well worth doing that second session. So people say, how many cycles do I need? What's it going to cost? Well, that's a tricky question because for every person and for every area that we treat, it's going to be different. Okay, so for example, if Nicole was curious about her abdomen area, we've got different size applicators. We're going to try to decide what is her goal. Do we need to treat high on the abdomen, low on the abdomen, a combination of both? And so this is what Sydney is expert at, deciding what your perfect treatment plan is, how many cycles and which cycles are going to be attached, how many sessions you're going to need of these sets of cycles. Then we can personalize a treatment plan for you and give you an estimate of what cost will be. I will let you know that right now there has never been a better time to buy CoolSculpting at Warrenton Dermatology. Next week on October 26th, 27th, and 28th, we have our Fall Festival of Savings. It is 20% off every cycle of CoolSculpting, plus Allergan, the company that manufactures CoolSculpting, has given us the authority to take up to another $600 off your treatment package. So that's 20% off your cycles plus an additional $600 off.
Wow.
I can tell you it's never been better here since we've purchased the machine a couple of years ago. Now we're over 1,000 treatments in. We're very good at what we do here, but this is an unprecedented savings opportunity. So here's the thing. You kind of need to know what to ask for, and you need to know what your treatment plan is before you can purchase. So please give us a call and schedule a consultation appointment. That consultation is private to you. Sydney will assess your needs, find out what your goals are, make sure that you're a good candidate for CoolSculpting, set your expectations, answer all of your questions, and get a treatment plan in place for you with pricing. So give us a call, and we can go ahead and get you scheduled for that consult so you don't miss the Fall Festival of Savings next week.
Yes, call.
Call. Now, hopefully you're also commenting, so you have a chance to win that door prize of a free cycle.
We do have several comments. One about
Awesome.
how she really wants this on her flanks as part of her post-baby body.
Yep.
And just people absolutely amazed by the results in your arms.
Oh, well, you know, it's a little embarrassing to kind of show those before pictures, but the results are so good, I have to share. The common areas are submental. The fullness of a double chin can be treated. Upper arms, upper and lower abdomen are very popular. As you can see, the axillary puff here for Nicole. In addition to the abs, we can do your love handles or flanks. The bra fat that pushes out from underneath your bra. We can even treat underneath the buttocks at the upper part of the thigh. That's called, of all things, the banana roll. I guess because it resembles a banana, not sure. We can also treat the inner thigh. We can treat the little pocket of fat that's right above your knee. So you know, if it bothers you and it's between the chin and the shin, if we can pinch it and get an applicator on it, we can freeze that fat for you. So don't hesitate to call if there's something you think we can help you with. Now, before we go, I also wanted to mention there are a couple of other treatments that we provide here at Warrenton Dermatology that go perfectly hand in hand. Sydney is also a laser technician here, and she works with our Cyton laser. You might know it as a BBL laser, which is what we use for sun damage. But in addition to providing those BBL treatments, it does something called skin tight. So if we can show, we don't really have a good before and after of the skin tight, but I can describe it to you. Basically, just as you get benefit from freezing the fat with CoolSculpting, we can benefit by heating the tissue with skin tight. We go back and forth across the tissue, heating it to a very precise temperature that is safe to the skin, but your skin will find it that it feels like it needs to repair itself from a perceived damage from the heat. We haven't heard anything, but it kicks your body into action, and your body lays down new collagen, and it tightens up those the skin tissue so that it has a smoother appearance and a less lax appearance. It is not a substitute for a facelift or a body lift or a tummy tuck. It's not getting rid of loose skin, but the skin that is there will appear firmer and tighter. So it's a great adjunct to after CoolSculpting. If you're still not thrilled with the quality of the skin, say on your abdomen, skin tight is a great addition to post CoolSculpting treatment. The other thing you can do is when you're at home every single day, you can be using Body Firm. Now we do have a before and after picture that Lauren can show you over there. This is someone's elbow area and underneath the arm where we get that crepey skin. If you just apply Body Firm AM and PM consistently for a couple of months, you can actually improve the quality of the skin just topically. So we encourage you to take advantage of all of the things that we offer here at Warrenton Dermatology, from non-invasive cosmetic therapies to products. It's our pleasure to serve you. We're happy to provide consultation appointments so that you know exactly what might be right for you and what fits into your lifestyle. So thank you for participating. Thank you for watching. Again, comment. Later we'll be posting the winner of our door prizes, the free cycle of CoolSculpting and the free Body Firm. So thanks for joining us here at Warrenton Dermatology. We hope to see you soon.